Are you familiar with the certification known as NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP? This certification, provided by Network Appliance, is at the professional level and validates your expertise, capabilities, and proficiency in administering NetApp ONTAP solutions. Wondering how to obtain the NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP certification? To earn the NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP certification, it is necessary to have a minimum of 6 to 12 months of experience working with NetApp ONTAP solutions, which includes tasks such as configuration, storage administration, and data management. Additionally, passing a written exam is a requirement. While many individuals are familiar with the NS0-162 exam, the updated NS0-163 exam has been released and is now available to employees, partners, and customers. When comparing the NS0-163 exam with the NS0-162 exam, it is important to note that the NS0-163 exam incorporates the latest branding and technology that are relevant in today's industry. Therefore, it is highly recommended to opt for the NS0-163 exam in order to obtain the NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP certification. To ensure you are well prepared for the NS0-163 exam in order to obtain the NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP certification, we recommend utilizing the most up-to-date NS0-163 exam questions provided by QuestionsTube. By using the authentic NetApp NS0-163 questions offered by QuestionsTube, you can overcome this challenge and achieve success in a single attempt. Our comprehensive collection of real NetApp NS0-163 exam questions allows you to make the most of your preparation time and pass the NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP exam with confidence. In this video, you can find free demo questions for the NS0-163 exam available online for initial evaluation. 1. Which two storage efficiencies are enabled by default on NetApp AFF systems? Choose 2. A. Post-process compaction, B. Inline compression, C. Inline deduplication, D. Post-process zero-block detection. Answer: C, D. 2. A customer has a 2-node AFFA220 cluster and needs to enable the FC protocol. The onboard UTA2 ports are configured for 10 gigabits per second Ethernet. In this scenario, what are two different methods to use FCP over the UTA2 ports? Choose 2. A. Swap the Ethernet transceivers in the UTA2 ports for 1 gigabit per second transceivers, and configure the ports as target ports. B. Connect onboard UTA2 ports to a Nexus switch and enable FCP. C. Swap the Ethernet transceivers in the UTA2 ports for FC transceivers, and configure the ports as target ports. D. Change the existing UTA2 ports from 10 gigabits per second speed to 8 gigabits speed. Answer: B, C. 3. The source NAS volume of a snap mirror relationship is unavailable due to networking issues at your organization's primary data center. You want to make the destination NAS volume writable so that clients are able to access their data. Which two steps do you need to take to solve the issue? Choose 2. A. Break the snap mirror relationship using the snapair RCR break command from the destination cluster. B. Delete the snap mirror relationship from the destination cluster. C. Use the volume mount command to mount the NAS volume in the NFS namespace. D. Break the snap mirror relationship using the snap mirror break command from the source cluster. Answer: C, D. 4. You have a 4-node cluster with a NetApp AFFA 400 HA pair and a NetApp FAS 8700 HA pair running NetApp ONTAP 9.8 software. You are required to set up two-factor authentication for the ONTAP CU. Which two authentication methods are required in this scenario? Choose two. A. Public key. B. Security Assertion Markup Language (SAML). C. IP Security (IPsec). D. Password. Answer: B, D. 5. Auditing has been enabled and configured on your ONTAP storage system. You have also created audit policies to monitor files and folders. Auditing has been running for over 6 months. You want to ensure that there have been no improper file access attempts. How would you accomplish this task? A. Import EVTX files into Microsoft SQL. B. Import EVTX files into Microsoft Event Viewer. C. Use Microsoft System Center to read EVTX files. D. Use the ActiveIQ website to read EVTX files. Answer: D. 6. You have a 2-node NetApp FAS 500F system serving NAS and SAN protocols. The cluster is running NetApp ONTAP 9.8. You have a requirement to use SnapMirror to mirror your data to public cloud object storage. In this scenario, which ONTAP native solution is supported? A. FlashPool. B. Cloud Backup Service. C. Cloud Compliance Service. D. Cloud Sync. Answer: D. 7. You are performing an ONTAP upgrade with an intercluster data protection snap mirror relationship. In this scenario, which two steps must be performed before an NDU? Choose two. A. Snap mirror operations must be suspended. B. The destination cluster must be upgraded first. C. The source cluster must be upgraded first. D. Snap mirror operations must be broken. Answer: A, C. 8. You have two ONTAP clusters and are setting up a new Snap Mirror SVM replication (SVMDR) relationship. Which two statements are true in this scenario? Choose two. A. The target SVM subtype must be DP destination. B. The source SVM subtype must be default. C. The target SVM subtype must be sink destination. D. The source SVM subtype must be sink source. Answer: C, D. 9. A node fails on an HA configuration. A successful failover occurs, but your clients that are using the SMB protocol complain that they are not able to access their data. In this scenario, what caused the problem? A. The surviving node is not licensed for CIFS. B. One of the cluster interconnect ports on the surviving node failed. C. The quota for the queue tree has been reached. D. The disk ownership did not transfer correctly. Answer: A. 10. After deploying an AFFA 400, you want to deploy a storage virtual machine (SVM) to serve SMB data. Which three conditions must exist in this scenario? Choose 3. A. You must have sufficient space for the root volume. B. You must have a non-root aggregate in the online state. C. You must have encryption enabled on the root volume. D. You must synchronize the cluster time. E. You must have configured the export policies. Answer: A, D, E.